If you love rich, thick Nigerian Egusi soup, then this video is about to make you seriously hungry. If this is the type of video you would love to watch, then keep watching. First, I washed my cow meat with salt and cleaned my fresh mackerel fish very well. Then into the pot, I poured in the cow meat, added little onions, salt, water and seasoning. I covered it and allowed all that goodness to cook slowly. While that was cooking, I soaked my stockfish and dry fish in hot water to soften them. Then I washed my Tatashi, fresh pepper and few tomatoes and blended everything together until smooth. Next, I picked, washed and sliced my ugu and Uziza leaves, fresh from the kitchen. I soaked the okpei in a plate with water to allow it to melt. At this point, my meat was soft and perfectly cooked, so I removed the meat and stock from the pot. Then using that same pot, I added red oil, chopped onions and fried it for about 2 minutes before pouring in my blended pepper mix. While the pepper was frying beautifully, I washed and deboned the dry fish and stockfish I soaked earlier. Then came the topic of the day, the egusi. I mixed the egusi with the meat stock and added it little by little into the pot, stirring gently and allowing it to fry properly for about 3 minutes. Then I added water, stockfish, dry fish, meat, seasoning cubes and salt. After that, I added the remaining egusi gradually again. This method helps prevent the egusi from burning and gives the soup that rich, thick texture we all love. If you are enjoying this recipe so far, please help me like this video and subscribe to my channel. Your support means so much to me. I allowed it to cook for about 15 to 20 minutes because trust me, if egusi is not cooked properly, it can upset your stomach. The aroma already told me the soup was about to be special. After 15 minutes, I added crayfish, Uziza leaves and fresh periwinkle. The aroma at this point, absolutely irresistible. Please don't forget to comment below and tell me what swallow you would enjoy this soup with: eba, pounded yam or fufu. Any swallow at all. Finally, I added the ogiri, which I washed my hand and melt it with the water. Added ugu leaves and my fresh mackerel fish. I stirred everything carefully and allowed it to cook for just 2 more minutes. And our rich, delicious Nigerian Egusi soup was ready. Look at that texture. Thick, rich, flavorful and loaded with goodness. If this video made you hungry, don't forget to like, subscribe and share this recipe with someone that loves good food. See you in my next delicious recipe. Bye.